welcome. Today we are starting paper 2. Question 1. Outline Micah's prophecy concerning the Messiah is found in Micah chapter 5 verse 2 to 5. The Messiah would be born in Bethlehem. He will rule over Israel. His origin is from the old. He would be born of a woman. He will feed his flock. He will rule in majesty. He will rule in the strength of God. In his time, Israel will be secure. He shall be great to the ends of the earth. Question 1b. Describe the Annunciation of the birth of Jesus by Angel Gabriel as recorded in Luke chapter 1 verse 26 to 38. Angel Gabriel was sent to Mary in Nazareth. Mary was a young woman who had been engaged to a man named Joseph of the house of David. The angel greeted Mary. "Hail, O favored one, the Lord is with you." Mary was troubled by the greetings. The angel told her not to be afraid, since she has found favor with God and was going to give birth to a son. And the son would be called Jesus. The angel told Mary that Jesus would be great. The angel told me that Jesus would be great, would be called the Son of the Most High God, and God will give him the throne of his father David. Mary asked the angel how she was going to conceive without a husband. The angel told her that she was going to conceive by the power of the Holy Spirit. The angel told Mary that her kinswoman Elizabeth had also conceived and was 6 months pregnant. Mary accepted the angel's message by saying, "I'm the handmaid of the Lord. Let it be done to me as you have said." The angel departed from her. Question 1c. State 5 lessons Christians learn from the Magnificat. Christians should always appreciate God. Christians should have faith in God. Christians should be humble. Christians should rejoice when they are blessed by God. Christians should obey the will of God. Christians should depend on God for provisions. Christians learn that God raises those who are humble. Christians learn that God is holy. Christians learn that God is merciful. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.